Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Transform your pond into a crystal-clear oasis with effortless maintenance. The best pond skimmer removes leaves, debris, and floating particles before they sink, keeping water clean and healthy while enhancing the beauty of your outdoor space. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Aquascape Signature Pond Skimmer. The Aquascape Signature Pond Skimmer is a dependable solution for pond owners who want cleaner water with less daily maintenance. Designed for ponds up to 400 square feet, this skimmer delivers efficient biological filtration while continuously removing floating debris from the water's surface. Leaves, twigs, and other unwanted materials are captured before they sink and affect water quality, helping maintain a healthier environment for fish and plants. The 6-inch weir opening ensures steady surface skimming, while the removable leaf and debris net makes cleanup quick and hassle-free. Its rounded shape enhances structural strength, providing long-term durability even when installed in demanding outdoor conditions. The sturdy lid protects internal filter components from damage and keeps the system discreetly hidden within your landscape. Whether you're building a new pond or upgrading an existing filtration setup, this skimmer offers reliable performance, reduced maintenance time, and improved overall water clarity throughout the seasons. Number 2. Little Giant SK5 Pond Skimmer. The Little Giant SK5 Pond Skimmer is built for larger ponds up to 5,000 gallons, making it a strong choice for koi ponds, goldfish habitats, and decorative water features. Its primary function is to effectively skim floating debris from the pond surface before it has a chance to sink and decompose. The circular design adds structural integrity, while the reinforced support edge increases overall strength and durability. A sturdy lid with an optional sand fill port enhances stability and allows for better camouflage in landscaped areas. The heavy-duty net captures larger debris efficiently, reducing strain on your pump and filtration system. An inlet screen prevents fish and other aquatic life from entering the unit, ensuring safe operation. With generous dimensions of 20 inches wide, 25.95 inches deep, and 23 inches high, the SK5 offers substantial capacity and dependable performance. It's a practical and long-lasting solution for maintaining clean, balanced pond water.
Number 3. The Pond Guy Pond Skimmer. The Pond Guy Pond Skimmer is a practical choice for maintaining ponds up to 3,000 gallons. Designed to skim away floating debris, it helps keep your pond surface clear of leaves, pollen, and other unwanted materials that can negatively affect water clarity. By removing debris before it sinks, this skimmer reduces the buildup of organic waste and helps protect your pump from clogging or damage. Its straightforward design makes installation simple, while the durable construction ensures reliable performance in various outdoor conditions. This skimmer works efficiently to support a healthier aquatic environment, especially in ponds with fish or active water features. By maintaining a cleaner surface, it also improves the overall appearance of your pond, making it more enjoyable to view. Whether you are upgrading an older filtration system or installing a new one, the Pond Guy Pond Skimmer provides dependable surface cleaning that contributes to better water quality and easier long-term maintenance. Number 4. Waterscapes International Pond Skimmer. The Waterscapes International Pond Skimmer stands out with its Superflow weir doors designed to maximize surface cleaning efficiency. These weir doors allow water to flow smoothly into the unit, capturing floating debris before it sinks and disrupts water balance. Built with a rugged, high-density polyethylene shell, this skimmer is made for long-term outdoor durability and is backed by a lifetime warranty for added confidence. Its design allows for easy camouflage using natural stones, plants, or landscaping materials, helping it blend seamlessly into your pond environment. Each unit includes essential components such as a removable lid, filter mat, basket, and silicone, ensuring you have everything needed for proper installation and operation. The sturdy construction protects internal components while maintaining steady performance in various weather conditions. Ideal for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic flexibility, this skimmer supports cleaner water, healthier aquatic life, and reduced maintenance effort throughout the year.
Number 5. Oase Swimskim Pond Skimmer. The Oase Swimskim Pond Skimmer offers a compact yet powerful solution for surface cleaning in garden ponds. Constructed from durable polyvinyl chloride and finished in black, it blends naturally into most pond settings. Powered by AC with a 230-volt system, this skimmer delivers an impressive maximum flow rate of 580 gallons per minute, ensuring effective removal of floating debris. Despite its lightweight 5.73-pound design, it provides reliable performance and easy placement within the pond. Measuring 13.07 inches long, 11.69 inches wide, and 9.84 inches high, it is suitable for smaller to medium-sized water features where space efficiency matters. The unit works to keep the pond surface clear while improving overall water circulation. By reducing debris buildup, it helps maintain better water quality and protects other filtration components. The Oase Swimskim is a practical choice for pond owners who want efficient surface cleaning in a compact, easy-to-manage system.
Keep your pond sparkling and thriving all year long with the right care. A quality pond skimmer makes maintenance simple, protects aquatic life, and preserves water clarity. Enjoy a serene, clean pond effortlessly, knowing every leaf and debris is efficiently removed for a healthy, beautiful backyard retreat.